Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to make a screen record with volume. So you also want to screen record not only the things that you see here but also my voice. All right, so to do a screen record first we must go to the settings. When you are in your settings, we go a little bit down here to the point control center. I click on control center and you can see here torch, timer, calculator, camera and dark mode. That's the same ones you can see here. All right, so when I go a little bit down, you also see more controls, and here is the screen recording. So I just click on the plus and then it means okay, screen recording is here. Okay, the first step is done. When I'm now here, I can click on screen record and it's 3, 2, 1, and then you see this is getting red, and now I am screen recording here my screen. Okay, I can do a lot of things and so on and so forth. Now I click on it and stop screen recording, stop. All right, now the video is saved to the phone and you can see here is the video. All right, but you can see we cannot hear anything, right? So you can see here is the volume button, but I cannot hear anything, but I talk the whole way. Well, the reason for that is that in the standard, when you make videos, it doesn't record the sound. So if you want to have the sound, you must do a little trick. All right, so we go again here and do not press it shortly, but press it long. And when you press it long, you can see here microphone is off. And then when I click on it, its microphone is on. And then I can start my screen recording. All right, so it will now start screen recording and it will also record my voice. So I'm doing the same thing again and I'm just talking and talking, and then I will stop the screen record. Again, I go to photos and here is again my video but with sound. And it will also record my voice. So I'm doing the same thing again. That's the little trick. So you have to press on the screen record button long to turn the microphone on. If you don't want to, then you can turn it off again. Yes, this is how you screen record on the iPhone 14. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.